Attorney General Pam Bondi is now seeking the death penalty for Luigi Mangioni, the guy accused of killing the health executive back in December of last year. And people are wondering, wait a minute, that indictment is still sealed. Usually the attorney general or the prosecutor will not tell you what kind of punishment they're seeking until after the indictment is unsealed. But she's already jumping all over this. And somebody made a comparison the other day I saw that I thought was pretty fascinating. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple years ago in Texas, there was this crazy guy that went on a shooting spree in a mall. He killed 23 people, and that guy got a plea deal. But Luigi Mangioni, they're seeking the death penalty. And there's a really simple explanation for it. He killed an elite. He killed a wealthy, rich, 0.01% rich guy. And in this country, you can't do that. You cannot kill the rich. And I remember when the shooting happened of the Thomas, I believe was his name, the executive that got killed. Rich people were nervous. They're like, "Oh my God, you mean the poors? They can kill us?" Yeah, man. You keep pushing people. I'm not saying that that's something that should happen. I'm just saying that there are people out there that are unhinged enough to do some crazy ass shit. And if you push people into a corner, one of those crazies is just going to lash out to you. And that Luigi Mangioni guy wasn't some crazy commie lefty. You know, he comes from a wealthy family. You know, I'd be surprised if he was anything other than a conservative or at least a moderate. You know, he's definitely not a lefty, but all of a sudden, rich people are scared. And I just heard this the other day. The FBI director, cross-eyed Kash Patel, not that I'm here to make fun of the way somebody looks, but that guy's a piece of shit. And now he is farming out FBI agents to act as security for the wealthy. I mean, that's got to tell you everything that you need to know. You know, I know that security services went straight through the roof after that assassination. And now we've got a government agency, the FBI, acting as bodyguards for the uber wealthy and elite. I mean, they're spitting in our faces and telling us, just shut the fuck up and take it. You know, if we rob you, who cares? We're rich. We get away with it. Donald Trump had 91 criminal charges. Didn't face any punishment whatsoever. You know, he's pardoning all kinds of crazy people. There was a guy who had like a scam electric car thing. He was busted dead to rights, and Donald Trump just pardoned him. If you were rich, if you were wealthy, you were powerful, you do not get punished. The two-tier justice system is real, and it's serious. And if you or I had done anything remotely as illegal as any of these guys, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, what have you, we would be under the jail. But for some reason, money and power, they never get punished for any of this stuff. And Pam Bondi is doing what she's doing because they want to make an example out of Luigi Mangioni. They want this guy. They want him dead. And they want everybody to see it. That'd probably be the first live execution. I would not be surprised if they live stream that shit. Just so everybody could see, this is what happens when you kill one of the wealthy. We're not having it. And Donald Trump, Pam Bondi, Elon Musk, the wealthy and the powerful, they will continue to get away with crimes, and you and I will just have to deal with it because we don't have any power, and we sure as shit don't have any say.